Hey everyone, my name is JB Spencer. I am here out of the Maryland area, and I wanted to share an opportunity with you in the Forex space. I have partnered with some amazing entrepreneurs, and they have decided to come up with a company called XTreamFX Global Academy. This is an amazing academy that have been created and founded by 4 of our co-founders. One of our co-founders' name is Adrian Salone. Then we have the Wonder Twins. That's just what we call them because they are exactly that wonderful. Their names are Megan and Reagan Lynch. And then we have the Jacob Nickel, right? And they've come up with this company, and the company is called XtreamFX Global Academy, like I stated. And this is for the people, by the people. We have an amazing program. Our program will allow you to earn maximum profits in 2 lucrative industries while generating income for your common unity. Ownership is the key to generational wealth. Let me just say this. Our program cannot tell you that you're going to make millions of dollars, but we do have a proven system that will give you the opportunity to learn from our 6- and 7-figure trade trainers, right? So again, this is Forex. Guess what? This is the largest global market in the entire world. It is $7.3 trillion a day industry. Please do not get it confused with the stock market. Okay, the stock market is only a couple billion of dollars a day, and they are only open 5 days a week. The foreign exchange market, which is Forex, is open 7 days a week. Right? So you can actually trade any day and all day, 24 hours a day. Now, why should you actually team up with me in Maryland or with my company or my group around the world? Because there are 6 reasons why everyone should trade crypto and Forex, right? And this is what we actually show you. We actually show you how you can actually have a high profit margin. We're going to show you how your money is your money alone, meaning that you will not be giving your money to a third-party person. They're going to tell you they're going to invest your money. You don't know exactly what your winnings or your losses are, and they're going to ask you to give more money in order to be able to get that money back. We don't do that here. We're not knocking any other groups that do that, but we want to show people a skill set that will give them the opportunity to keep food on their table for life. Okay? We show you how you can buy and sell quickly and with ease. This is simplicity, right? It's decentralized. That just means that the government cannot actually be able to touch your money. So whatever type of restrictions that you have on your income, you don't have to worry about that, because now we show you that there's additional way to make some additional streams of income. You position yourself to become an independent business owner, right? And I'm going to talk about the benefits of an independent business owner very shortly. We have a favorable forecast, right? This market is going to continue to grow. I just told you it's in the trillions a day, and the stock market is only in the billions. And this may be safer than, of course, your alternative options of getting some additional streams of income. You know, you guys can think about what the alternative options would be. I'm just going to tell you that it will be safer, and of course, it is 100% legal. Here at XtreamFX Global Academy, we do have an online trading education platform, and you're going to learn, as I said, from our 6- and 7-figure traders, right? That's all they do all day. That's all they do. They don't have any other jobs. They only trade. We have an 8-day proven trading boot camp. Our training is live, right? Starting on a Tuesday. All our training is live for about an hour. You get to chat and talk with the traders themselves, ask any and all questions. Life gets busy, guys, right? Some of you are still working jobs, and so it may be hard to get on those trainings, but guess what? They're recorded, so you can always go back more and more, right? If you don't understand it, go back over it. You have the option. It's all going to be into your actual education platform, right? So we all understand that for some reason, if you miss something, you just continue to read it as if you was in school. Now, I always tell people we have a study hall, right? And the study hall, of course, is to help you remember the things that you learned in class. So why would you not jump on this so you can have an opportunity to learn more about our trading platform? Now, we show you also about our trading platform, but then we have a referral program, right? Now, don't even start and say you don't refer anything and you're not a salesman and saleswoman. Listen, I don't care for the Popeye's chicken. That's my own personal preference, right? I did not like the chicken sandwich, but you guys was out there selling the heck out that chicken sandwich and referring it to mama, grandmama, cousin, you know, people you were referring it to, and Popeyes gave you not one red cent. They didn't give you not one piece of French fry or corn on the cob, red beans and rice. They didn't give you guys anything, but we utilized the heck out of marketing because we wanted everyone to experience something that was great. Well, guess what? Our referral program is, listen, we want you to experience something great, and we want you to go ahead and refer it to other people that are interested in making some additional income. And so this is how we do it. You will be able to unlock the potential once you enroll 3 individuals that are looking to be trade students or become a referral or become a part of our referral program. And then that will position you to start receiving $500 a month. It's $125 a week. Yes, $125 a week can definitely take care of somebody's bills, because the last time I checked, you know, they was talking about people's mortgages. And they said if people had an extra $500 a month, they could have actually saved their home. So don't say $500 is not a lot of money. It really is. Trust and believe. I do know. So you just refer 3 individuals and we start to unlock your potential. Right, our referral program goes up to $1 million a month. We get paid every Friday, right? So listen, I don't know who needs to hear this, right? Because someone is waiting on their next paycheck, or someone's waiting on their 50 cents raise after they've been working all year long. I'm telling you, you can give yourself a raise every month, right? $500 a month, right? All you need to do is start to unlock your potential and find 3 people that are interested in trading. Bitcoin is not trading by itself. People stop saying that. Oh, I'm investing in Bitcoin. You're investing in a piece of a Bitcoin. I'm showing you a skill set that can keep food on your table for life, right? I'm showing you, you're just investing in one portion of the market. I'm showing you how to invest in everything. Open your mouth and tell somebody. We always tell somebody about something else anyway. Tell them about something that is income producing. So listen, this is our referral program, right? I'm talking enough because I want you guys to actually see what our referral program is, right? Some of you, can you even imagine making an additional $5,000 a month? That means every Friday you get $12.50 in your bank account. Come on, this is amazing. This is how you do it. You are at the top as a CEO. You're going to find 3 individuals to enroll as a trade student. You don't have to do anything more. We're going to help them 3 find 3, and we're going to duplicate it by 9 times to get you to your maximum potential of $1 million a month. Yes, you can make $1 million a month. If you can allow all these celebrities to make $1 million a month and be okay with it, and you can watch all these actors make $1 million a month and be okay with it, why can't you not change your conditional mindset to know that it's possible for you? Because right now you are at the top. You're here. That is your CEO, and you're way down here. You're an employee ID number. He don't have an ID number. His ID number is CEO, and your employee ID number is 13569. And he's at the beach with his family, and you're here working all day, right? Searching on Google how to find out how to travel somewhere and how to find a second or third job to get out of your situation. This is not a pyramid. Do not think it is a pyramid, you know, that doesn't give you the opportunity to make more than the person that brought you in. Right? A CEO, you would never make more than him. But if I brought you in, you have the potential to make way more money than me, and it's legal, right? We have a product, right? And everybody can say, oh, it's a pyramid. Tell me when the last time you've been in a pyramid, and tell me what a pyramid is, and I'll be able to explain to you that this is an amazing opportunity. MLMs, network marketing companies, referral companies have been around for years. We're just showing you how you can actually be able to benefit and make some legal money off of referring an opportunity to someone, right? Do y'all not know that millionaires are made by networking? We network every day. And so why not make money off of this and position yourself, right, in order to be able to receive some great residual income? You have residual bills. You have residual internet service, residual cell phone bills. Do you have residual electric bills? Guess what? Those bills are going to come every month, whether you want them to or not. And even if you don't use it, there's still going to be some type of surcharge to it. Because guess what? You need those things to survive. And so now I'm showing you how residual money can take care of your residual bills. Just hang on. It's not too hard. This is how you do it. You find 3 people, right? You're going to ask them if they want to become a trade student. That means they're going to learn from our 6- and 7-figure income earner traders, right? And they're going to get some amazing trade ideas. I want you guys to know that you can start earning while you're learning, and we're going to give you some trade signals, right? Some trade ideas. You're going to copy from our 6- and 7-figure traders. I don't know anyone else that tells you it's okay to copy, but you can copy this cat, right? Because we're making some extreme money over here. You have the option to be able to receive $200 in HFX shopping bonus tokens, shopping dollars, shopping dollars, right? I don't know another company that would give you $200 when you pay $99, right? It feels like you're stealing, but you're not, because we want to make sure everyone is successful at some point. We have study groups, right? You have an option to get into our fast start bonus, right? This is amazing. Listen, you're not going to be able to learn how to trade. Go to Harvard, look it up. It's $72,000 a year. We're going to tell you it's $99 a month. You can't beat that with a baseball bat. Come on, stop playing with me, right? So here's our next level. This is our premium IBO. Our premium IBO is just $124.99. It sets you up to be your own CEO that I talked about before, and it gives you some amazing opportunities so that you can start receiving residual income, right? And so that's exactly what we talked about. You still get everything. You still get the live trading session. You still get the trading ideas. You still get the 200 shopping tokens, right? You get access to a travel website. You get your own actual website for yourself. It positions you for our genealogy cherry, right? That's just an organizational chart. That just means you get to put yourself at the top, right? Why put yourself at the bottom when you can be at the top? Won't you want to be the first of something? Oh my gosh, here we go. Our elite IBO. Our elite IBO is $144.99, right? It gives you access to our residual compensation. It gives you wholesale access to our leadership and training materials. It gives you access to our financial literacy material. And it is amazing in general, right? You still get your $200 every month. You cannot get this from nowhere, but we no longer have our community token. So listen, we don't have that, right? I just need to change this slide, but I want to share this opportunity with you. Now, we talked about independent business owner, IBO. Listen, the tax law allows you a deduction for startup expenses. Think of it as the money you spend when you're thinking about investing in a business. So you're on this YouTube channel right now because you're thinking about Forex, right? You're thinking about how you can become richer, and get off your 9 to 5. Well, guess what? You have an opportunity to write off some of your internet expenses, some of your cell phone expenses, right? Your computer, things of that nature, because now you're getting yourself prepared to think about starting a business. Don't get mad at the millionaires and the billionaires because they're paying a little tax deduction, right? A lower tax bracket, because they know how to mark off a lot of their expenses as business expenses, right? So we all get mad at them, but guess what? They're not going to pay that high tax bracket because they have now been able to show that they have used their money for their businesses, and whether or not it's for vacationing, whether or not whatever it is, we're going to show you that, because guess what? We have some amazing tax attorneys. I'm sorry, some tax accountants in our group that are actually with us day to day. So I want you guys to understand where we are in the common unity. It is actually for the people, by the people. Do your research, right? We have all these other companies that's out here saying that they're teaching Forex, but listen, the proof is in the pudding. I always tell people, documentation beats conversation every day and all day. I can conversate with you all day, but if you do your documentation against company 1, 2, and 3 against us and company 4, then you can tell us which company best suits your needs based on the information and the training and the skill sets that are here. And we're not going anywhere, guys, right? We are a great and amazing company. I don't know if you guys know who Warren Buffett is, but everyone should. I call him my uncle, right? He's like my mentor. He doesn't even understand or know that he is. But he said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will die, right? You're going to work until you die, right? Come on now. Some of you guys are trying to work 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jobs. And all you got to do is learn a skill set that can keep you afloat for the rest of your life. Pass some money pass some money and skill set down to your generations behind you. And guess what? Now you too can be a Rockefeller. Come on now. That's all it is, right? Stop spending your money frivolously on Jordans, not knocking Jordans, but stop spending your money on things that don't have a return of investment, right? Let's help find out ways that you can position yourself in order to make some amazing money, because timing is everything. And when I say that, I want you to remember that you can start learning, you can start earning while you learn an amazing skill set, right? All you have to do is the person that invited you, right? Asking for their sign-up link. The sign-up link is really simple. It takes less than 1 minute to sign up. Your first name, your last name, your email address, what is your phone number, right? And then also, what do you want your username to be, your password, and whatever your website to be? That's it. It's decentralized. There's no social security numbers that's required here. Okay, and we are decentralized. We are global. That means anyone that's around the entire world can actually partake into this online academy, right? It means anyone can take come partake in it. So listen, questions and answers, I'm here for you. Contact me. Again, my name is JB Spencer. My email address is mvm.mindset@gmail.com. You're more than welcome to contact me, 202-869-4225. And guess what? The first step of success is connecting and hear more about this amazing opportunity. We have no age limit here. Our youngest student is 5 years old. Our oldest student is 97 years old. So guess what? It's a piece of the pie for everyone in this $7.3 trillion a day industry. I just want to know, will you be partaking of the pie? Have a great and amazing day. Thank you so much for taking the opportunity to listen to me on this YouTube channel. And remember, success is only a click away. Have a great day.